Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning on how to change language setting on your Coinomi Wallet app. If you want to change your display settings for Coinomi, then the process is quite easy. First of all, tap open your Coinomi application. Once you are signed into the account, simply go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, select Settings at the very bottom. Under the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Change Language. Select the language of your preferences from the list and tap on Done. And this will change your language display setting to something else of your preference. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.